Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name's Vicki. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing a special recipe with you. It's called the Shamrock Shake Pie. You heard that right. If you love the Shamrock Shake from McDonald's, then you won't be disappointed. This is going to be a replication of that, but just in pie form. Let me show you what you need for it. It is super simple to make. Okay, you're going to start out with a crust. You're going to either use a graham cracker crust or a shortbread crust. I thought a shortbread crust would be good in this. I'm using crème de menthe because I already have it, but you can use mint extract, a container of whipped topping, 2 cups of milk, and 2 boxes of instant pudding. Now I've got one 0 sugar and one regular. I'm just going to add both of them to it. And let me show you how we do this. First thing I'm going to do is take my top off my pie crust. Let me know in the comments, have you tried the Shamrock Shake? And if you did, what did you think about it? I'm going to go ahead and put our instant pudding right in our bowl. Now, it didn't say if you use a large box or 2 small boxes. So I'm using 1 small and 1 large, both vanilla. 1 sugar-free and 1's not. So I'm just using what I have. I like to try to stay on top of what is trending and what everyone would like to see. So I figured with St. Patty's Day that today's a perfect day to have a Shamrock Shake Pie for dessert. Okay, let me get our milk. See a lick, people. Okay, 2 cups of milk going right in. Stir that up really good. Dissolve. Okay, and we're going to take our whipped topping and put it in. I'm just going to add that right to the bowl. Check out my St. Patrick's Day series. I've got, I think, 4 recipes on there. I done a grasshopper pie, which was the first time I've ever had that, and it was delicious. It tastes like those Andes mints that you get in the store. And the bangers and mash was absolutely delicious. And I also shared a recipe for corned beef and cabbage. So let me know in the comments if you've tried any of those recipes. Have you watched the video? If not, I invite you to do that. Okay, and then we're going to put 1/4 of a cup of this crème de menthe, and this is the non-alcohol. You can use mint extract if you want to. Let me get, let's see. Well, it looks green. I think that's green enough. Does that look green to you all? Put you over here in the light. There we go. All right. I think we've got too much filling. I probably should have just done 1 box of pudding mix, but that's okay. Yeah, we've got plenty left. We could have just done 1. So I suggest either 2 small boxes or 1 large box. Now we're going to go ahead and put our pie lid on and put it in the refrigerator overnight. And then we're going to try it tomorrow, and I'll let you know what I think about it. And that is as easy as it gets. That is our McDonald's Shamrock Shake Pie. Okay. I just had to get back on here real quick and tell you all, I tasted the pudding with that mint in it mixed up, what was left in the bowl. It's really good. It's delicious. So I hope you make this and you give it a try. If you're enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Okay, it's the next day and it's time to check and taste test our Shamrock Shake Pie. It's from a Shamrock Shake from McDonald's dupe recipe. So, well, not really a dupe, but a copycat, I guess you could say. It's supposed to taste like the Shamrock Shake. It did set up, and it did say to leave it overnight, and we ended up doing that. So, let's slice it here and see what it tastes like. I've never had the Shamrock Shake. Let me know in the comments if you have or if you liked it. It's pretty, isn't it? There we go. Now you could put some little bit of whipped topping around it to decorate it if you wanted to, or some green sprinkles if you want to do that. All right. All right, guys, I'm going to stand where I'm blocking that light. I think it'll work. Let's try our Shamrock Shake. All right, here we go. That's very subtle. The mint is very subtle. Now, I'm sure you could adjust that if you want more mint flavor. Let me get another bite. I love that shortbread cookie crust. What? That's good. The vanilla pudding and that Cool Whip gives it a very light flavor. It's not very heavy. And the mint's not really minty either. I like it a lot. All right. I hope you all make this. Make sure you check out my other St. Patrick's Day videos. I've got about 4, I think, in my on my channel, I mean. And I've got bangers and mash. I've done a corned beef and cabbage. I also done a grasshopper pie that was absolutely delicious. It tasted like the Andes mints. And now we've got the Shamrock Shake Pie. So make sure you check these out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up or a like. It really helps me out. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do that as well. I look forward to having you around. I'm going to be starting my Easter series next. The first thing I'm going to be sharing is a coconut cream pie. And that's going to be for Pie Day / Easter spring recipe. And I'm very excited to share it. I've never made it on my channel before. I've had this recipe for about 30 years. No, about 36 years. My friend, we had Lamaze class together. She made this for me for my birthday. Her name's Patricia. We call her Shorty. And I absolutely love this recipe. And we use it to this day. My sister does. She uses it all the time. I haven't made it in a long time. So I'm looking forward to that. I hope you'll join me and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone.